Let's walk through how you can create a workspace in Slingshot from a template. If I come up here to the Add Workspace button, I can either choose to create a blank workspace. I have usually some recommended templates based on recent ones that you've used or based on the department that you select during onboarding. And then I can also come here to see all templates. I have a set of featured templates. Again, this will be based on your department you selected in onboarding. And then you can see all of the different departments here that we break up for you in Slingshot to find a template that will work best for you. If I come into marketing, I can see all of the different templates I have to choose from. And then I can see this marketing one that also includes, 9 projects. So I can come here and I can kind of quickly look through this template. I can see this marketing template comes with all these projects of things that we usually have going on in marketing, like events and emails and social. And I can click through and see all of the other different things that come in my template. So this looks good to me. So I'm going to click Use Template. I can change the name of this if I want to and the description. I can set whether I want this template or this workspace that I'm creating to be public or private. Public means that anybody within my organization can find this workspace to join. Private means that they need to be invited to it. And then I can click a start date for this particular workspace. So basically your start date will then help Slingshot cascade your dates for your projects and workspaces out based on the date you want to start. Once I have what I want, I will just click Create. And now if I scroll down here, you can see that you have your workspace. So you have your marketing workspace with all of these different projects and tasks and discussions, pins and dashboards in here that you can now take your marketing team, bring them into Slingshot, and you can start assigning people to tasks. You can start adding people to projects based on their roles. And just like that, you have a ready-to-go workspace in Slingshot.